I welcome you to Trade Nuggets, an initiative of Fortress 20 Global. On Trade Nuggets, we present you with simple tips to facilitate your international trade transactions. My name is Adetokunbo Madewani, and I work as an export consultant. In this episode of Trade Nuggets, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of getting an exporter's registration certificate from the Nigerian Export Promotion Council. You'll also learn the companies that are eligible for the certificate, the cost of the certificate, and the documents required to complete the VAT application. The very first step is to visit the NEPC website. You can do this by typing NEPC into your browser, and it should lead you to a page that looks like this image on your screen. Scroll down the page till you get to the Getting Started section. If you are navigating correctly, you should have this image on your screen. As you scroll further down, you'll see a section with three steps: export readiness, understanding your market, and e-registration. You can choose to take the export readiness test just to ascertain that you are ready for exports or not. The next section lists the documents required to complete your application. These documents are listed according to the kind of company you intend to register: a limited liability company, a cooperative society, or a government and non-government organization. A limited liability would also need a board resolution in addition to these documents. A business name is, however, not eligible for export registration in Nigeria. Under the e-registration section, the benefits of obtaining an exporter's certificate are listed. In this section, the payment methods that you can use to make payment for the certificate are also listed. You can use your local debit card to make payments. Kindly note that the certificate is valid for 2 years, after which it becomes renewable every year. The certificate should be ready within one working day after confirmation of payment by the NEPC. If you need any assistance with the registration process, use the online chat option or visit the NEPC office closest to you. The next section covers fees and charges for the certificate. 13,500 for a new certificate, 7,500 for renewal, and 12,500 for a late renewal. Bank charges might, however, apply. For a fresh registration, click on Create Account. Once you click on Create Account, fill out your email address and follow the prompts. You'll be required to upload your documents, verify the information as OK, and proceed to make payment. Advise that you go through the platform and get the required documents ready before you start the process so that you don't have to abandon it midway because you can't come up with a particular document. Keep your login details properly because your certificate will eventually be downloaded from your dashboard and you'll need to log into your account to download the certificate. As soon as your payment is confirmed after the correct documentation has been uploaded, your application will be processed. Your dashboard will show that your certificate is ready and available for download. Download and print a copy of that certificate for your file. The certificate should look like this image on your screen. I hope you now know how to proceed with getting an exporter's registration certificate from Nigeria. If you are still having difficulties completing the process, kindly reach out to us via the link in the comment section or send us a message on any of our social media handles. Thank you for joining me today on Trade Nuggets. Watch out for our very next video providing you with simple tips to facilitate your international trade transactions. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Enjoy your day, and I wish you all the very best in your international trade journey.